Let's create one more tutorial in CATIA V5. In this video, you learn to use pad and hold. So open the CATIA V5 and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the right plane and make this sketch. And here will be the midpoint. And the first thing that we make, we will create these lines. This line here and this one has 10 millimeters of length. And this line here has 10 millimeters. And the distance between this point here and the midpoint is 50 millimeters. So go to sketch and select the right plane. And here select profile. Click here in the midpoint. Make this sketch here. Okay. And active the constraints. Double click here. Select this line, 10 millimeters. This line here has 10 millimeters. This line here has 10 millimeters. And the distance between this point here and the midpoint is 50 millimeters. Okay. And now we will create this sketch. So let's create this. We'll put the dimensions later. Okay. So select the profile again. Click here. Okay. And go to constraints to put the dimensions. And this line here has 30 millimeters. This one has 10 millimeters. So select this line here, 30 millimeters here, and 10 millimeters here. And this line here, 15, and this one, 20. So here we have 15, and this one we have 20. We made this profile, okay? Now leave the sketch and go to pad, and we need to extrude this 25 millimeters, the distance here. So the length here, 25 millimeters, and select mirror standard. So here will be 25/2. Okay, we made this one. And now we need to create this hole. This hole is throughout this body, and this hole has 10 millimeters of diameter, and the distance between the center of this hole and this edge is 20 millimeters, and it is in the center of this body, okay, between these two faces. So here select the hole, select this face, and the diameter here 10 millimeters, and the extension here you can change to list. Let me show the preview here. And now we need to position this sketch. So click here and go to dimension. The distance between this point and this edge here is 25/2. And the distance between this point and this edge here is 20 millimeters. Okay, leave the sketch and press OK. We made this one. So here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.